Today you'll take your thermal energy quiz on convection, conduction, and radiation. Please make sure that you pause anytime you need a little bit more time and that you rewind if you need something read again. Okay. I'm going to read each question one time. So again, please make sure to pause it after I read the question so you can answer it, or you can rewind and listen to it again. All right. Number 1, the direct transfer of heat from one object to another through touching is called A, convection, B, invection, C, conduction, or D, radiation. Number 2, which is an example of conduction? A, heat from a fire, B, heat from the sun, C, bare feet on hot sand, D, drying boots over a hot air vent. Number 3, which is not an example of conduction? A, walking on hot sand, B, a pot cooking on a stove, C, air from an air vent, or D, holding an ice cube, or D, holding an ice cube. Number 4, use the diagram below to answer the question. Option 1 is here, option 2 is here, and option 3 is pointing to here. So which option best represents heat transfer through conduction? A, option 1, B, option 2, or C, option 3. Number 5, match each term with the correct statement. The average kinetic energy in the molecules of a sample, molecular motion. Is it radiation, convection, heat, temperature, or conduction? Okay, the second one, energy that travels by waves in all directions from its source. Is it radiation, convection, heat, temperature, or conduction? The third one, energy that moves from a warmer object to a cooler one. Is it radiation, convection, heat, temperature, or conduction? The fourth one, the transfer of kinetic energy from one molecule to another. Radiation, convection, heat, temperature, or conduction. And the last one, the transfer of thermal energy by the movement of molecules from one place to another in a gas or a liquid. Is it radiation, convection, heat, temperature, or conduction? And remember, kinetic energy is energy in motion. All right, number 6, use the diagram below to answer the question. Again, option 1, option 2, and option 3. Which letter represents heat transfer through fluids, liquids, or gases? A, option 1, B, option 3, or C, option 2. Number 7, use the diagram below to answer the question. Which letter represents heat transfer through electromagnetic rays like the sun? Option 1, A, B, option 3, or C, option 2. All right, number 8, what is the source of heat for the Earth? A, radiation from the sun, B, convection from Earth's core, C, radiation from volcanoes, D, conduction from the sun. Number 9, energy from the sun travels to the Earth's surface through A, convection, B, conduction, C, evaporation, or D, radiation. Number 10, what is an example of convection? A, heat from the sun. B, walking on hot sand. C, noodles boiling in a pot of water. D, holding an ice cube in your hand. Number 11. What is the source of heat for the Earth? A, conduction from the sun. B, radiation from the sun. C, convection from the Earth's core. Number 12. Choose the correct word from the list below to fill in the statement. Light colors absorb, reflect, redirect, adhere, admit, or repair sunlight. So light colors blank sunlight. Again, those words were absorb, reflect, redirect, adhere, admit, or repair. Number 13. Choose the correct words from the list below to fill in the statement. You have absorb, reflect, redirect, adhere, admit, or repair. So dark colors, absorb, reflect, redirect, adhere, admit, repair, sunlight. Dark colors blank sunlight. Is it absorb, reflect, redirect, adhere, admit, or repair? Number 14. Use the diagram below to answer the questions. According to the picture above, in the atmosphere, warm air blank and cold air blank. A, sinks, sinks. B, rises, rises. C, sinks, rises. D, rises, sinks. And number 15, drag the terms to the correct location to show how heat travels. Does heat travel from cold to hot or hot to cold? And you're going to put them into the blanks that look like this. Okay? Does heat travel from hot to cold or cold to hot? Drag and drop them into the boxes. All right, that's it. Good luck. Please go back and listen to any of the questions that you need to hear again. Check your work, and good luck.